of the 2014 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.